How can you earn from freelancing website? If you are also sourcing that kind of video, you are in the right video. But in this video, I'm going to tell you a secret tips which will help you to earn more money becoming a freelancer. Okay. Today there is a big competition in freelancing market also. There are lots freelancer available in the graphic designer, in the web development, in the apps development, and there is article writing also. There are lots of courses available, and in every sector there is too much big competition. Okay, but today I'm going to teach you a secret tips about how can you get success in freelancing career. So if you are also searching that kind of video, please watch until the last. I'm going to tell you a secret tips in this video. I am not suggesting you a Upwork.com. I am not suggesting you a Fiverr.com. I am not suggesting you any kind of freelancing website. Okay, if you are trying to become a freelancer in this kind of website, it will take too much long time. Okay, nobody will get success because I think there is only 5% people who are getting jobs and projects in that kind of website, because there are lots freelancer already available. Okay, so I think if you are also getting that kind of problem, this is the right video for you. If you are an expert in your field also, you will not get job easily in this kind of website. It will take time, but using this trick, you will get a project, you will get a job 100%. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai, and you are watching right now Dipesh Rai YouTube channel, and I'll discuss about the technology related video in this YouTube channel. If you also love to know about technology, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and I want to give thank you all of my subscribers who are subscribing my YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. So there is only one secret tips available in the freelancing career also, that is Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and there are lots ads available which you can run. Okay, if you are expert in your field, if you are an expert in graphic design, if you are expert in web development, then in that case you can use this trick. You can make a beautiful video, okay, or you can make a beautiful portfolio. Then in that and after making your portfolio, or after making a beautiful promotional video, then after that you can promote that in the Google ad also, or you can promote in the Facebook ad also. But for the beginner, I want to suggest you can try Facebook ad because it is easy and you can target your audience. Okay, for the Google ads, you need some tricks. You have to search different kind of keywords, and it will take some time. But for the beginner, I want to suggest Facebook ad. Okay, and there are lots freelancer already available. That's why you have to market your freelancing jobs to among the people who are searching a freelancer. Okay, so there are lots methods available which will help you to success in freelancing career, but this is the right method, and you can run a campaign in Facebook and hoping that it will help you to success in freelancing career. So that's it. So hoping that you understand about how can you get success in your freelancing career. And if you have still any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll meet you with another video. Goodbye. See you again.